In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a PDF file on your laptop using Microsoft Edge, as well as how to fill out a PDF form. Editing PDFs might seem a bit daunting at first, but with Microsoft Edge, it's surprisingly simple and convenient. So, grab your laptop and let's get started. First, you'll need to locate the PDF file you want to edit on your laptop. You can do this by navigating through your File Explorer. Once you've found your file, right-click on it, you'll see a menu pop up with several options. From this menu, look for the option that says Open With. When you hover over it, another menu will appear. Select Microsoft Edge from this list. If Edge doesn't immediately appear as an option, you might need to click on Choose Another App and find it there. Once your PDF is open in Microsoft Edge, you'll notice a toolbar located at the top of the screen. This toolbar contains several handy annotation tools that allow you to interact directly with your PDF. If you're filling out a form or simply need to add some text, locate the button labelled Add Text. Clicking this will activate the text tool, then click on the spot in your PDF where you want your text to appear and start typing. It's that simple. For those times when you need to highlight important sections of your document, look for the highlight tool in the toolbar, select it, and then click and drag over the text you'd like to emphasize. This is particularly useful for marking key points or sections you want to revisit. Now, if you'd like to add handwritten notes or draw directly on your PDF, Microsoft Edge provides a draw tool. Click on this tool and use your mouse to create freeform drawings or annotations right on the document. Mistakes are easy to make, but fortunately there's an erase tool in the toolbar as well. This tool helps you remove any unwanted annotations you might have made by accident. Simply select it and click on the areas you wish to erase. Once you've made all your desired changes, it's important to save your edited PDF. You'll find a Save button in the toolbar. Clicking this will update your existing PDF file with the changes you made. Alternatively, if you want to keep the original PDF intact and save these edits to a new file, select Save As instead. This option will allow you to give the edited PDF a new name and choose a different location on your laptop to store it. And there you have it, an easy way to edit and fill out PDF files using Microsoft Edge. With these tools, managing PDF documents on your laptop becomes a straightforward task. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has helped simplify your PDF editing process.